I wanted to show you a tool that I just learned about, well, a new part of the tool that helps you get rid of gaps in sections. So, for example, I have this section here that there's this gap here. When I try to pull this up, it only let me go this far and then it gets stuck. I can't figure out why. There's no elements here that I can see, and that's the key right there. If you open up your layers palette, and this is in the classic Wix editor, and then you'll open up layers here. You can expand the particular section that you're on, and then lo and behold, Wix even identifies elements that might be hidden because they're pulled far to the left or to the right of the screen and you don't see them in the editor window. So if this happens, Wix is so cool. I did not know that they will alert you here in this layers palette and have a little red icon with an exclamation in it that indicates that that item is so far off the pasteboard or the screen that it's not going to be visible. So there's two things you can do. You can either click on it and then just hit delete on your keyboard, because if you click on this here, it's selected. Or you can also use this wonderful little tool to recenter it, and it will bring it back into the part of the page. If you don't want to delete it and you want to move it somewhere, it'll bring it back here. In this case, I'm going to delete that one. And now, if I close my layers palette, I can now shrink up this section. So if you are having problems with sections not being able to shrink down your sections, this is the key here. So here's another one that I'm running into that same issue with. If I come here to layers, when I select that section, it'll have it selected here. I can scroll down here, and now I can delete these two items. So I'm just going to click on them and then hit delete on my keyboard, because they're actually not even, they're duplicates and I don't need them. Once those are gone, now I can shrink up this section as desired. So happy Wixing. This is a great little tool. I just found out from the the Wix support team, their phone support. They have great phone support. You do have to schedule a call back with them, but when you do get them on the phone, they're always very helpful. So thank you, Wix, and for your awesome phone support, and also for this wonderful tool called Layers. I had used this tool before to just find elements, but I didn't realize it had little markers to indicate items that may have been dragged off of the main screen and are hidden, kind of off to the sides. So that is a really helpful tool, especially if you can't shrink something down. It's probably because there's an item somewhere, an element somewhere that is blocking it from getting shrunk any further. So if you ever have problems with shrinking a strip or a section, this is how you fix it. Happy Wixin'.